Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for September 24th through October 6th. For September 24th to 28th, this is what we forecast. We have a ridge here that'll be deepening over the Northeast Pacific or across Alaska. And we also have a ridge here over the Northeast and with above normal heights in the east. And this trough here progresses into the plains. So we're looking at the GFS. We go forward in time. This shows it well. And you can see the eastward progression of this trough. And you also see the deepening here of the ridge. And then we come to the 28th. And you can see exactly what I'm talking about. The miles of good agreement. So during this time, moisture from the Gulf of Mexico will surge ahead of a cold front and support locally heavy rain across much of the lower Mississippi Valley, Ohio, and Tennessee valleys the first half of the week. Showers and storms will then spread northeast across the Great Lakes into the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic. With this trough moving into the plains, we expect a cool air mass to spread across the front range of the northern Rockies, northern plains, with anomalies of 5 to 10 degrees below normal. The southeast, the southern Great Basin, southeast will be above normal with anomalies of 5 to 10 degrees. So now the period for September 27th to October 1st. Here we are at the 29th. And the ridge here continues to strengthen with above normal heights in the west. And we have a trough across the north central states, digs into the east. So we go to the end of the period. We still have our ridge here. Ridge over the northeast with above normal heights in the east. Miles of good agreement. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here and here. And I'm forecasting anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees above normal. And the greater anomalies will be across this region here. Lower anomalies here across the southeast, and I'm forecasting below normal temperatures for this region here, with the anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees will be possible. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for the western states, probability of occurrence 45 to 55%, and then we have above normal precipitation forecast for this region here, probability of occurrence 45 to 55%. Now look at the period for October 2nd to the 6th. During this time, I don't know if you can see it very well. The MJO will be going into phase 1 either during or early in this period. And with this being in phase 1, we look for a trough in the east. So the 2nd to the 6th, you start seeing this trough. Here is spreading in the east. Our ridge here that was over the northeast slides further eastward. And this ridge here continues to deepen with above normal heights in the west. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for the western states. I think this is a little overdone. I think it'd be more like above normal for here and for this region. And I'm forecasting anomalies to be about 4 to 12 degrees above normal, and the greater anomalies will be across this region here, the Great Basin and the Four Corners region. Below normal temperatures, the forecast for much of this area here, the northern Rockies, the plains, into the northern Mid-Atlantic and the Northeast. And I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 12 degrees below normal. Lower anomalies be across this region here. Greater anomalies across the northern plains, upper Mississippi Valley. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for this region, from the plains to the Pacific coast. Probability of occurrence, again, is 45 to 55%. And then I have above normal precipitation forecast areas, mainly east of the Mississippi River. Probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for September 24th through October 6th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.